Cap 26 here, just 2 tips, repairs, and hobbies. Looks like we got a box of Frankenberry here, doesn't it? Well, let's see if we can open it up. It's to the side here. Oh, wow, look at that. It's a Frankenberry figure. Very nice display. It's got a little box of cereal. And let's see if we can open the top part up. The seal right here. Get them out of there. It's got a little hanger here. Just put that to the side. Let's see if we can pull them out. Nice. Now, this was supposed to come in a model. And you know what? I got sick of waiting for the model. So I figured I'd get him. He's got 2 faces. I guess they're interchangeable. Pull him out of the box here. The background there. See the background in the box? I gotta cut him out of his thing here. There we go. Comes right out. I think I'll leave the box of cereal in there. And get his other head out. Put that right there. So I'm wondering how his other head comes off. I guess it just pops off. It's got a ball joint. I don't want to break it. It's in a ball joint in there, and it looks like it could break off very easily. See it in there? See the ball joint? To change his head out. Oh, his leg fell off. And it just snaps off. Yeah, I don't know. No instructions with it. Let's see if he stands up. He stands up, his arms move like that. He stands up. Got an extra head. Yeah, it's just a press fit inside, see? So you'd have to go in there with a tool and like a screwdriver and just give it a little pry, you know, to pop it out. You don't want to pull it by the shaft because it's on a plastic shaft here, right here. And it would snap probably. I suppose you can go back like this to do it. Instructions? Nada. There's no instructions. No instructions in the box, I don't think. On the back side, nope. No instructions. Could always have him hold it. Like that, his other head. Like that. If he'll stand, stay up. I thought he was a cool looking guy. Even as a kid, I used to eat the cereal as a kid, Frankenberry and Count Chocula. And I thought it'd be neat to add to the collection. So, you can get this on Amazon. I'll leave the link below for you. I thank you for watching. And Frankenberry thanks you for watching. And have a nice day. See you next time. Bye for now.